Giants up there for Marcus. I don't have the Giants up there for Marcus. That's alright, I remember.
I'm trying to figure out if this guy didn't get an invoice.
Hey guys, it's 7. We'll be starting momentarily. Thank you for those that bought some extra teams. We had a lot of empty teams this time around. We still have a few extras over here. Those you can get for $3. Those will just be included with the shipping you already paid. Or you can get 2 for 5, or reach out in the chat if you want to make an offer on them. If you want more than 2 and you want to make an offer, definitely just reach out and let us know. We'll give it a few minutes. And while we're waiting, I don't know if you can read the break updates, but just if there are 2 teams on one card and one owner doesn't have a majority stake of the teams on that card, we'll roll a dice at the end of the break to determine who it goes to. We will ship within 1 to 2 days. We're in Oregon. We just have a blanket of ice right now, and we're supposed to get snow all night. So our goal is to ship tomorrow. If we're out and about, that's our goal, is to ship tomorrow morning. But weather permitting, and all rookies will be penny sleeved, and hits will be top loaded. Also, if you notice any hits that I miss and you want it top loaded for your team, just type in the chat and we'll get that top loaded. I know the Heritage have variations, so at the conclusion of each pack, I'll flip it over and just do a quick check to see um, if there's any action variations or other photo variations um, listed on the back, and we'll get those top loaded for you.
And Christian is asking for live, so if he can, Christian, if you can just give us a thumbs up if you can hear us.
Or anyone. Oh, and we'll also have this posted afterwards if people aren't able to make it. We'll post it on Facebook and also on YouTube. Just look for M&M Box Breaks on YouTube. I believe there's a link in the listing.
Yes. And I'll put the link in our box break as well.
Anyone comment that they can hear us? Give it another minute or 2 and then we will get going.
Christian is saying he does not hear the sound.
Mic check, mic check. Can you see, at least see movement?
It's the same webcam. I'm gonna log in and double check sound.
Again, sorry guys for technical difficulties. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Ben says he can hear. Ben, you can have the Reds and the Mets. Sorry guys for technical difficulties. Can you hear me? He says he has the Tigers. Ben Morris.
Yes, Ben Morris has the Tigers. Ben, can you message me your email and I'll send you an invoice? He wants the Reds and the Mets.
Yeah.
Okay, great, Christian. Glad you can hear.
Anyone else want any teams? If not, we'll get going. We'll grab a dice real quick, though.
Yep, I think we're good. Ben, if you can just send me your email, we'll get that invoice sent out to you and we'll package
better look at the cards. Right there. Yeah, that's perfect. All right, we will start over here, the right side. I'm gonna move all these just to where you can see. Just stack them up. Let's start with this one. Oh, sorry. Hope no one gets motion sickness. Start with this one, and good luck, everyone. Thanks again for those that bought extra teams and those that bought teams. Each of these has 3 packs of 9 in them. And like I said, all rookies will be top loaded or penny sleeved. If you see something that I miss for your team that you want top loaded, just write something in the comments and we are more than happy to get it top loaded. And like I said, I'll go through the back really fast too, just to make sure there's no variations that we're missing. I haven't seen too many of these cards, so don't want to miss any. Omar Narvaez, Brewers. Zach Wheeler, Phillies. Here, Adrianza, Twins. Dodgers, Mookie Betts. Oh, there we go. Rookie performers, Nico Horner to the Cubs. Sergio Romo to the Twins. Angels, Luis Rengifo. I'm glad these guys aren't watching because I'm sure I'm not getting their names. Athletics, Jake Diekman. And Padres, David Bednar. And while I'm going through the back really quick, I forgot to go over teams if people need reminders. Ben Morris, you have Detroit Tigers, and I believe you just got the Reds and Mets. Chase F, you have Houston Astros. Christian U, you have the Braves, Angels, Yankees. Donald, you have Cubs, Rays, Nationals, Cardinals. Gabriel, you have Phillies. Kyle, you have Toronto Blue Jays. Marcus, you have the Dodgers, Padres, and the Giants. Robert, you have Diamondbacks,
No,
Rockies.
Robert has the Giants.
Oh, sorry. Robert has the Giants. Sorry, Marcus. Um, Robert, Diamondbacks, Rockies, Athletics, Giants, and Tyler, Indians. So I'm just going to check real quick to make sure there is no variations. I don't see any, but we'll get the rookie cards penny sleeved. And pack 2. And we'll get the inserts, we'll get those top loaded, like that Nico Horner. We will top load that for you. Donald. Didi Gregorius, Phillies. Rich Hill, Twins. Junior Guerrera, Diamondbacks.